In this video, I'll show you how to power off and how to restart your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. So it's very easy. I'll show you 3 different ways. So hopefully one of these works for you. So the first way is to go through the settings. So you see the settings here, open it, then go and you see general, click on this, then go down and you should see shut down, the last option. Click on it. Then when you see the screen, just slide to the right side and you're done. Now the iPhone will take about a second, 2 seconds. It will completely shut down. To power back the iPhone, you just need to hold volume down and power button, both for about 4 seconds until you see the Apple logo. Then you can release those keys and the iPhone will boot back up. Now let me show you the second way this can be done. You need to hold the power button on the right side and volume down, or you can choose volume up. It works the same way. Just hold one of these and the power button during about 2-3 seconds until you see something appearing on the screen. So let me do it like this. I'm pressing both. This appears. I can release those buttons, and over here on the top you see slide to power off. So you just have to do the same thing. Slide it and the iPhone will take about 2-3 seconds. It will power off and that's all. Okay, to power it back on, need to do the same thing. Press the power button and the volume down or volume up, you decide, until you see the Apple logo. Then you release. It will take about 30 seconds and you'll be able to use your iPhone back again. Finally, imagine if your screen is frozen. If these don't work and if you can't go in menus, what should you do? Well, it's very easy. Let me show you. Okay, so let's say the screen is frozen. I cannot go in settings. Even if I do this, it doesn't work. Well, all you have to do is to press once volume up, press once volume down, and keep press the power button during about 10-15 seconds until the iPhone shuts down by itself. So let me demonstrate. So 1, 2, and then I keep pressing this button. Even if I see something appearing on the screen, like right now, I'm still keep pressing. Keep pressing. Okay, now I can release it. Once the screen is completely turned off, I can release the button and the iPhone will restart. You won't have to power it back on because this is a restart. You're not shutting down the device. So you just have to wait. Again, 20-30 seconds, just the time for your iPhone to boot up again, and here we go, you'll be back and ready to use it. So these are the 3 different ways you can shut down or restart your iPhone. I hope this was useful. If you have a 4th one that I don't know, please write it in the comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to check it. So thanks for watching, subscribe, like, I'll see you in the next one.